In this section, we're going to be looking at the volumes of a particular family of shape. They are known as prisms. A prism is a three-dimensional object. It's characterized by the fact that it has a uniform cross-section. Look at all the shapes below. We can see that if we slice them in any way along their length, the cross-section would be the same. Consider this cuboid, for example. The end would be a rectangle, or possibly a square. This is the cross-section of this shape, and if we were to slice the shape in half, somewhere along its length, we'd find that the end that we cut is the same shape. It's also a rectangle. This is the very definition of a prism. If we cut it along its length, then we'll see the same cross-section. The triangular prism is the one that most people consider when they're talking about prisms. If we split it anywhere along its length, we see the triangle. But prisms can have other shapes at the end, such as this pentagonal prism. Here we have a cylinder. A cylinder has a uniform cross-section. That cross-section is a circle. Strictly speaking, this is not a prism. The definition for a prism is that the cross-section is a polygon. A polygon is a many-sided shape, so therefore we're talking about triangles, rectangles, pentagons, and so on. However, this does follow the same formula for the volume. The volume for any prism can be calculated by taking the cross-sectional area, which you may be given or you may need to work out, and then multiplying it by the length. Consider this. The cross-sectional area is the area of the triangle, which we know is the cross-section of the shape. If we know this cross-sectional area, and we know the length, then multiplying gives the volume of the shape.